Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome to Official Tech. Today we are going to create a project in a Django in which we are going to store the data into database using SQLite. We are not going to use MySQL or MongoDB, any other database. We are just going with a legacy. Okay. So first, let's create a virtual environment. Python -m means module. venv is Python module. So virtual environment name is my venv. Okay. So it's created. Let's activate it. My venv script and activate. Okay, so now upgrade the pip, upgrade hyphen upgrade pip. Okay. It just uninstall the previous version and install the new version, and pip install Django. It will install the latest one of Django 4.2.5. Okay, let's create requirement.txt. For that we are going to use pip freeze and put it into requirements.txt. Yeah, it's awesome. So we have Django and other dependencies of Django, and this is our virtual environment. And let's clear the screen and now create the Django project. Django admin start project, and project name is core, and just create on a current directory. Yeah, as you can see here, core is our project, and we have these files: asgi, settings, urls, and wsgi. Okay, now create, oh sorry for that, Django admin start app, and app name is blog. That's awesome. Here is the blog with migration directory and admin apps, models, tests, and views. So let's clear the screen. The very first, I'm going to register my app on a settings, install apps. So blog, save and close. So very first, we are going to write the model. We are going to use basic functionality of it. So let's clear it, and class article, and inherit it from models dot model, and title is going to models dot character field, and max length for it at 100 character. So and other is content models dot text field, so we can store as much as we want. So I'm going to add class meta. No, let's get rid of it and just create string method self, and return self dot title, this one title, so that it's not return the object. Instead of object, it will return the title. You will see on a uh, admin panel. Whenever we will there, I will show you. So model is created. Let's create a forms dot py. Okay, from Django dot forms import model form. We are going to use basic model form. So let's create class article model form, inherited from model form, and going to create a meta class meta, and model is let's import it first. Forget about this suggestions. From dot models import article. So model name will be article, and fields fields are we have two fields, title and content. That's it. So let's save, and let's create a view. So let's import http response as well. So def let's create data, simple name, and let's get the request, and get rid of this line, and from dot forms import article. What is going on here? Forms article model form. And let's create if request dot method is equals to post. very first. If request is post, so what we gonna do? Form is equals to oh, that's wrong. This article model form request dot post passes to form, and let's validate it. If form dot is valid is the method which will check for validation of the form. If form is valid, form dot save the form and return redirect. So let's import it here, redirect as well, redirect it to success page. We'll create it later on. So else if form is invalid, let's redirect it. Form is equals to this form, and let's return render request, and template name will be blog.html, and data we are going to return is form, and then this, let's return this. That's it for it. And for success page, let's create another function for success page request, and let's just return http response h1 and successfully inserted, and just close the tag h1. That's awesome. Oh, let's create urls.py on our blog app. Very first, from Django dot urls import path. I know why it's that's awesome. URL pattern. So first path, and endpoint will be create, and this, and import views from dot import views, and views dot create data, and name will be create, and for the same success page, and here success. Yeah, let's include in our project. So import include here, and path will be empty, and let's include blog dot urls. We are including blog dot urls, so that any request come to blogs, it will directly go to these urls. It's Django dot urls. Sorry for that. I think everything is set. So let's migrate python manage.py make migrations. So you can see here one migration file is created 0001 underscore initial.py. Here id is default, we got a field, title, character field, and content text field. So let's migrate. Now it will create the default tables in a database and our table as well. So let's create a console python manage.py create super user, creating super user with default name Hindway, email address is hindway@hindway.com, password is I'm not gonna tell you. Oh yes, and this is created. So let's fire the server, run server. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, we have admin, so let's get inside it and oh, I forgot to register our model, so let's register it to admin from dot models import article. So let's get rid of this, and admin dot site dot register, so that you can see there article. Let's refresh it. Yeah, you can see here. Now we can create an article. Title is the awesome blog. There is nothing like awesome. Awesome. Yeah, let's show you something. If I will comment this out and save it, yes, you can see here, this is an object. So you will show object only. If I will uncomment this and save it, you will see the title of the article. Okay, now let's go to the create. Create. Let's create the template. templates templates, and inside this I'm going to create blog.html. So let's create form, and method is h post, and close the form, and csrf token, and we already have form in this page, so form dot as p tag. So button type submit, and submit data, and let's close the button. Yes, it seems perfect. So let's stop the server and restart the server. Let's see what we have. Oh, that's great. So this is title of my blog. This is the dummy content that is not useful for me. That's it. Let's save it. Oh, that's awesome. It's redirect to success page. So let's go to admin and see if it's there. Yeah, this is my title of the blog. That's it. And maybe that's it for it. Now if I'm forgetting something, so you can just comment it out on the comment section. And thank you so much for bearing me till now. Thank you.